In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and connect the QuickBooks Online integration app in Shopify. We'll go through the setup process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can link your Shopify store with QuickBooks Online without confusion. This connection is useful because it helps keep your store and accounting workflow aligned, making it easier to manage financial data in one connected system. To begin, open Google Chrome. Using a modern browser like Chrome can help everything load properly and makes the installation process smoother. Once Chrome is open, go to the Shopify App Store. When you arrive there, use the search bar to look for the QuickBooks Online integration app. Be sure to select the correct app from the results so you're working with the official integration intended for Shopify and QuickBooks Online. After you've found the app, open its listing page and look for the install option. Click the install action on the app card or listing page to begin adding it to your Shopify store. At this stage, Shopify may briefly redirect you through the standard app installation flow. This is normal, and it's part of how Shopify authorizes apps to work with your store. Once the installation is complete, go to your Shopify store dashboard and launch the app from there. You should now see the app's main module or configuration interface. This is where the connection between Shopify and QuickBooks Online is managed. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all settings and prompts appear correctly before moving forward. Next, authenticate your active QuickBooks company profile to link the two accounts. When prompted, sign into QuickBooks Online using your company credentials and follow the authorization steps on screen. During this part of the process, make sure you're connecting the correct QuickBooks company profile, especially if you manage more than one. That helps prevent syncing the wrong business records. After you approve the connection, the app will be able to link your Shopify store with QuickBooks Online. If anything seems to pause during authentication, give it a moment and avoid refreshing unless the page clearly fails to load. A stable internet connection also helps prevent interruptions while the accounts are being linked. And that's it. You've opened Chrome, located the QuickBooks Online integration app in the Shopify App Store, installed it, launched it from your Shopify dashboard, and authenticated your QuickBooks company profile to connect both platforms.